Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, April 13th. Carnival Cruise Line delayed the departure of Carnival Spirit over the weekend due to maintenance issues. Guests boarded as scheduled yesterday in Mobile, but the ship has remained in port and is now scheduled to depart later on today. Because of the delay, Carnival will miss its first port stop in Colombia to stay on track for its Panama Canal transit. Carnival says onboard services were not impacted and provided guests with a $100 per stateroom onboard credit for the inconvenience. And Juneau, Alaska is moving forward with new plans for a new downtown cruise dock. City officials have finalized an agreement clearing the way for construction of the new project. The development will include a new cruise berth along with retail, dining, and cultural spaces. The dock will also feature shore power capabilities to reduce emissions while ships are sitting in port. Officials say the project is aimed at handling the growing cruise demand. The project does move forward as Juneau continues to balance growing demand with daily limits on cruise traffic. And MSC Cruises is the latest cruise line to adjust Alaska itineraries for the season. The MSC Poesia will no longer travel through Tracy Arm Fjord due to those safety concerns tied to the icy conditions and geological instability, they say. Instead, the ship will visit Endicott Arm and Dawes Glacier, a nearby alternative known for the similar scenery. The change impacts MSC's inaugural Alaska season, which begins next month from Seattle. And cruise stocks were mixed on Friday. Carnival Corporation up 0.5%, 27.98. Royal Caribbean up slightly, 276.94. Norwegian flat, 19.96. And Viking down 1.4%, 77.17. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great Monday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.